Here we have another episode of American Tasting Experience. At the moment I have a Budweiser. Cheers.
Justin, Tiffany. Say cheese. Justin, say cheese.
Kind of tastes like a really shit light bitter beer.